Hey, welcome back everybody. Brian from T-Sportline, continuing with our DIY wrap for Cybertruck, getting ready to do the rear quarter panel back here. This is the largest piece of film that we're going to put on the truck, and while it's possible to do this as one person, I'm going to call in a friend. So if you have a friend that can help you on this one, this is where you would want to do it. Okay, it's prepped and ready to go. Let's get ready to put this on the truck. Grab the film labeled DRQ or PRQ if you're on the passenger side, and roll it out on the panel. Pro tip here when aligning the corners, I like to trim a little bit of the backing so I can actually see the corner. Now let's align the 4 outer corners of this panel. Cut a notch in the backing and then put tape across the notch to the truck. Since this panel is so big, make sure the tape is stuck so the vinyl doesn't fall while we work. If you're able to, this panel's big, so call in a friend to help. Peel the vinyl from the top half of the backing and cut the backing off below the body line of the truck. Now, starting from the center of our cut point, squeegee up and out until the entire top half of the film is squeegeed out. Next, we can work on the bottom half. We'll do this in segments of 10 to 12 inches at a time. Heat up the entire panel and check for any air bubbles under the film. Lastly, we'll heat up the edges of the film and tightly fold it over. Wow, look at that. The big panel is on and it looks awesome. This is really starting to take shape with our wrap and I love it. So you got to repeat this on the other side, and then we've got one panel in the back, and I'll see you in that video next.